Hello everyone. This presentation is speaking about using SurveyMonkey to create a brief survey. The presentation was created and presented by Ahmad Alkhatib. The agenda of this presentation, we will talk about the purpose of the survey, the clarity of the survey questions, ability to answer survey question, layout and visual impression of the survey, and finally we will talk about the utility of the survey. So the purpose of this survey, we created a case study. We are trying there to analyze organization approval system efficiency through creating group of questions subjected to analyze the level of satisfaction for organization employees for the system used to have the necessary approval for the vacation, overtime, urgent vacation leave, and long time sick leaves. The clarity of the survey questions. We have created 5 questions and shall not take more than 5 minutes to complete by each employee. Each respondent is expected to select the best option which match his or her answer to each question, and he can access the survey through the below SurveyMonkey link. This SurveyMonkey link is already shared at the description of this YouTube video. Ability to answer survey question. We use the Likert Scaling. The Likert Scaling, first of all, we have to define what we are trying to measure. Then we have to put the scaling item or the potential scaling item. Potential scaling items can be grades from 1 to 7. 1 is the lowest and 7 is the highest, or can be scale like the ones which we are using on our survey example. So the scale is strongly disagree, meaning it's the lowest degree, up to the strongly agree, meaning this is the most positive answer. By this, we are allowing to all participants to answer all questions, meaning that each participant will have 4 and only 4 options to select the best answer which do meet his or her thought. So the layout and visual impression of the survey. As said, the survey contains 5 questions. When you will open the SurveyMonkey link, it will directly showing you an introduction of the survey, about the name of the survey and introduction of it. Then it will go through the questions. So each respondent have to read the question and then to answer the best option on between. For example, I can tell why the request I submit need the necessary approval, and my answer is strongly agree. The utility of the survey, and this is the last stage. When the survey is done and I collect all the information from the respondent, it will give me the indicator if I need to improve the system or not. So, first step, I have to calculate the average rating for the top quarter up to the bottom quarter. The second step, I have to create a t-testing for the difference between the mean values of the item between the top to the bottom. Third step, the higher t-value means that there is a greater difference between the highest and the lowest judgment. So by that, I can tell that if I need an improvement or I don't need any improvement for the system. For example, the first question answer showing that the most people are saying that they are strongly disagree with this, saying that they cannot understand why they have to submit the request for approval. For that case, either I have to investigate why really employees are submitting the request for approval, or I have to investigate if the system itself needs improvement. Thank you all for watching, and I open the space for any question.